NIO delivered 20,176 vehicles in August, consisting of 11,923 SUVs and 8,253 sedans, taking their cumulative vehicle deliveries up to 577,694 as of August 31st, 2024. Moving into September, the company will host an earnings conference call at 8 a.m. U.S. Eastern Time on September 5th. Later on September 17th at Rocket Lab's Launch Complex 1 in Mahia, New Zealand, a 14-day launch window will open for the 53rd Electron rocket launch, which will be the second mission out of 5 for the French company Kinéis, a schedule that is a mere 3 months after the first mission and launch with Rocket Lab. This second constellation launch will add 5 new satellites to its planned 25. Kinéis is a company backed by private and public investors, including the French government's space agency. The goal will be to improve global Internet of Things, IoT connectivity. The Kinéis mission aims to provide global Internet of Things IoT accessibility worldwide. Its constellation is designed to connect any object anywhere in the world and is marketed as being able to guarantee the transmission of targeted and useful data to users in near real time, with low energy consumption. This is to be achieved with the more powerful 30-kilogram class nanosats that integrate IoT technology. The constellation also includes a second mission for a ship tracking automatic identification system, AIS. These technologies have been described as enabling Kinéis to expand across multiple industries and scale from 20,000 devices connected to millions more. To learn more about Rocket Lab, NIO, and other companies, please check out the mini documentaries about them and follow Ascencore for more news. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.